We have reference to three different causes for behavioral challenges that a person might have. Let me lay those out for you. The first category of causes is biological. Biological causes. This might be attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or autism or sensory processing issues or bipolar, or it could be that the child has not had enough sleep or is hungry. And we see those things that are biological taking place, then we can see behavioral challenges exist. A second category of problems is reactive. Reactive problems contain challenges like reactive attachment disorder or post-traumatic stress disorder or oppositional defiant disorder. These are patterns that have developed. It could be something like arguing with mom when she says no disorder. The idea here is that children develop patterns that stem from either an event or a habit of relating that has grown into a tendency. And so those are reactive causes for behavioral challenges. A third cause has to do with spiritual. Now, the spiritual, when I say spiritual, I'm referring to the spirit of a person. Not only talking about godliness, but I'm talking about the fact that everyone has a spirit. This is where they have their personality or an identity, their self-concept. That's why when Christ comes into our life, that he changes our identity. It's a spiritual issue. And so some of the behavioral challenges that children have are related to spiritual causes. Now, these are all related. And so it's hard to isolate them sometimes because a child who has a biological problem may develop some patterns of reacting when they have this particular challenge they're dealing with internally. Now they develop some patterns of reacting in social relationships and it affects their identity. So it's very important to have a holistic approach to addressing the behavioral challenges in children. When we do that, then we embrace an idea that Jesus taught us called the heart. The heart is this holistic piece that contains a lot of different components, and when we use a heart-based approach, that's when we can see significant change in a child.